Let's take a look at the newest iPad Pro equipped with Apple's latest M4 chip and compare it to the previous generation iPad Pro with the M2 chip. I'll explain why you might want to hold off on ordering it and wait for the release of the new iOS, which will be introduced at WWDC 2024 on June 10th. But let's get back to the iPads. For many years, Apple's iPads have been limited by their software, and this generation is no exception. That's why I'm returning mine. Although the screen is excellent and the extra function row on the keyboard, along with its slightly redesigned, more MacBook-like appearance, are nice features, they don't justify the high cost, especially since the iPad Pro M2 is now available at a better price. Both models offer similar functionality. That's why I think it's worth waiting until June to see if Apple finally utilizes the full potential of its hardware and addresses the iPad OS limitations. If that doesn't happen, both devices will function similarly, and you won't be able to take full advantage of the new model anyway. Unless you specifically want the latest, most advanced device with future-proof features, and price isn't a concern. This year, Apple decided not to include Apple stickers or a charging brick in the box to further minimize environmental impact. The new Apple Magic Keyboard is similar to its predecessor, with a few key differences. The inner bottom part is now made from aluminum, which is now more prone to fingerprints compared to the previous model. There's an additional function row at the top. And the larger trackpad now features haptic feedback. Additionally, you can now adjust the screen tilt further, which may be useful in certain situations. Apple has also made some changes to the camera system, removing the second camera and leaving only one on the back, which now allows for software 2x zoom similar to that on the iPhone 15. Additionally, the flash has been tweaked to intelligently scan documents. Apple has also relocated the iPad's camera from the left side to the center top. This change makes more sense for using the iPad in landscape mode on a keyboard and for connecting with people on FaceTime or Zoom calls. To enhance your experience, Apple has introduced an OLED panel for the first time on a device of this size. This panel combines two OLED panels to create a brighter display, making it the best screen ever on a portable device of this size. Consuming content is now more enjoyable, especially with its improved contrast and deep blacks. Unfortunately, to truly appreciate this, you need to see it in person, as a camera can't capture the real difference between the two. Let's take another look at the more detailed shots. I hope you enjoyed the movie. Please leave a comment. Are you planning on getting the new iPad, or are you waiting for Apple's announcements in June?